For making this, we need 1 cup moong dal soaked, 1 potato mashed and boiled, pepper 1/4 teaspoon, 1 chopped green chili, few coriander leaves, teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. So friends, now let's start making. So friends, now we need to coarsely grind moong dal. So friends, now I have coarsely grinded moong dal, and now we have to add all the ingredients in this moong dal. So now we have to mix all these ingredients. So now I have mixed it well, and now you have to deep fry these pakodas on a medium flame. Now preheat the oil in a wok and add the pakodas. And fry the pakodas on a medium flame until golden brown. So friends, now our pakodas are ready. You can serve it with ketchup, and you can also have it as an evening snack. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.